So basically we know the website browser, but we don't know how website work. So on this website we saw some pages like web pages of some maximum of codes, and those codes describe the layout, format, content on a page. Okay, so take a book. Okay, so book means one website, and on this book those pages are web pages, and those code lines means word of lines, sentences are told as codes, layout, format, content of a page. And web server, what is web server? So is a internet connected, if our system is internet connected computer that receive the request from a web page sent by your browser. So we have browser like Chrome, Firefox, and lots of browser are there. So when we search anything like if you search how website work, this question go to the web server. This web server, what is web server? Without internet connected web service not work. Server means one setup that searching your question. Okay, uh, because why we see the website, web server, browser. So these three as a basic of website. Okay, without the basic three, website is not working. So browser is the platform so to search anything, like it's a connect to computer, and these computers connect to server, and server connect to the website through IP address. But IP address is obtained by some domain name. IP address means internet protocol. So if you don't know what is internet protocol, please comment me. If any problem, I will make another video with internet protocol. Okay. So in other words, in order to display your website on the internet, you will need some elements. What is the some element? One website. Okay, website means if facebook.com, www.facebook.com, it is a website. Some domain name is there. Without domain name, Facebook is not working. What is the server? Server means where all data are saved. Okay, that's also called database.